you're experiencing connection errors in GTA 5, particularly Error 2026, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow this guide to improve your connection and get back to playing. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game and system. Close GTA 5 completely and restart your gaming platform or PC. This can help clear temporary glitches that may be causing the connection error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you are using a platform like Steam or the Rockstar Launcher, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of your game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Ensure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking GTA 5. Add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable the software to see if it resolves the connection issue. Step 5. Change your network settings. Consider switching to a wired connection if you're using Wi-Fi, or try resetting your router. Additionally, you can change your DNS settings to use a public DNS like Google 8.8, 8.8 for potentially better connectivity. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate connection errors in GTA 5. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance. Happy gaming!